everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Tornado Hobbies 144 scale Xi Gundam's head, 3D printed. So I received this yesterday from Musigan Hobby, and you can purchase this particular head unit from them as well. It's available in stock. Okay, so the reason why I got this head unit is because the Deep Striker that I'm currently working on, if you remember, right, I actually bought a 144 scale EXS Gundam just for the head to be used on the Deep Striker. But so happens that I just stumbled upon this head unit a few days ago on Musigan Hobby, and I was thinking, hey, why not? Let's use this instead. And then uh, I don't use the EXS head and it'll go back to its original kit, right? Uh, the reason why I chose this head was because it looks really good in the photos, lots of details, and yeah, let's hope that what we get inside the box is what we see in the photos. Okay, as you can see, the packaging is very nice. We have a separate plastic case inside to protect the parts. Instruction booklet, or rather instruction sheet, a bit vague, but just a few parts, so you can easily uh, figure out how to assemble this. Okay, right off the bat, right, you can see that uh, the parts are highly detailed. That's the face unit, and if you look closely, right, you can look at the eye section. Very clear. The printing is good, very detailed, very crisp. The nose area, the mouth area, yeah. So even the supporting frames, right, you reuse that in making dioramas and all that. Here we have I believe is the top of the head, the forehead piece, and the V-fins. And what we have next is the side of the head, highly detailed, very impressive, very impressive. Look at the amount of details you can find. Yeah, and it doesn't look that much work needs to be done to clean up, other than the areas where you cut off from the supporting frame. And if you look at the proportion of this head with the Deep Striker that I'm working on, right, it gives a better proportion as compared to my original head that came with the kit. The original head was really small, so it makes the kit looks a bit weird with the massive body and a small head, right? So if you compare it with this piece of blue tag, right, the head was actually smaller than this blue tag. So yeah, so it really didn't work. But with the Xi Gundam's head, right, it's gonna be so much better proportion wise. And once I have all the booster rockets and all those for the Deep Striker on, right, it's gonna look better. Then we have the other side of the head. Very impressive as well. Look at the amount of details. So you can really go to town painting this head, right, and making it stand out. All right, so overall very happy with the kit, and if you want it you can get it from Musigan Hobby or wherever place that you get your resin normally. You should be able to find it. Okay guys, take care and stay safe.